Hello, I've got something really interesting to share with you today. Very excited about it. I think this is my first online um, little workshop that is now available at the Pure Energy Healing Academy. So I'm going to talk about it now. It's exciting. Well, the reason why it's exciting because many, many years ago I started the path of spiritual enlightenment in the sense of understanding tools. You can use all sorts of tools to find your spiritual gifts, but one of the tools that was shared with me was an ancient practice. And that practice is, as you can see behind me, my two beautiful flowers. They take some doing to these. Oh, you have to water these all the time. I'm kidding. There you go. Look, this is what I just chose. So out of all the flowers outside, wildflowers, you can use wildflowers or flowers from the supermarket. Just choose your flower. And when you've got the flower, you then go to the Pure Energy Healing Academy and book the course. It's a 2 hour beautiful workshop. And it's a workshop that teaches you, shares with you ancient knowledge of what the flower is teaching you, is telling you, is helping you see your future, telling you all about yourself, telling you about your family, your friends, telling you about things that you can be aware of along your journey. So this is an example. So basically what happens is when you go to the Pure Energy Healing Academy and book the 2 hour course, it's intensive, so get ready for it. You've got 2 weeks once you've clicked on it, so you've got 2 weeks to watch it and then it's off. So prepare yourself. So book on the course and get ready. So basically I'm going to just give you a little overall of what happens. You'll see me and I'll say, hello everybody, welcome to this beautiful workshop. And here's a flower, but actually I've got about 10 or 15 flowers, and I go through it all of how to work with it. So basically I'm going to just give you some key points. So when you imagine at the end of this that you can pick a flower, or your friend can pick a flower and you can read it for them, pretty cool, eh? Well, that's what I used to do a lot of the times. I ended up actually flower reading all over the world, and one of the things that people loved was me doing flower readings. So I'd have a group of maybe 10, 20, 30, 50, 70, and they'd all be sat in a room and they'd all bring a flower. And I'd go around the room and read the flower for them. Pretty cool, eh? So this is what you'll learn. So some basics of what you'll learn is your life span, or should I say your lifespan up to the point where you are. So the base here is where you're born from, and here is where you are actually right now. Along that journey, this is so typical of me. Along that journey, you get to learn and meet so many people along your journey. And then here, it looks like, hang on a minute, I'm on my own now. And that's true, because it becomes quite a lonely journey when you start to go inside and start to find your own friends inside you, your own company, your own happiness, your own joy. And so how am I doing at the moment? Well, not too bad actually. You pull me down a little bit, but I spring back up. So health-wise, I look pretty cool. Who else is in my life? Well, there's somebody else in my life, but look, as you can see, they're not there all the time, and they're doing other things, and they're burning themselves a little bit here. They're burning themselves. Can you see just there? There's a little bit of dryness. So I would say that whoever this person is in your life is burning themselves, meaning that they're exhausted a little bit. So they're burning themselves out. They're a bit dry. But the good news is that they're ready to flower. They're ready to explode with love and light. So that's great. So that's nice. They're on their own journey. Now, if you see here, if you just look here, there's a little bit of something just on here, and it looks like what looks like them things that you blow, magical things. So that means that they're a magical soul. They're on a magical journey, which is beautiful. All of these leaves are representations of people in your life, but you can actually look at these leaves and make sense of them once you start. And as you look at the leaves and as you look around the leaves, you can start saying, okay, I can understand who this is and I can feel who that is because this is what I share with you. But hang on a minute, there's a leaf that's just been eaten there. Who could that be? Why is it being eaten? Is that a representation of you or your life at that point where things went badly wrong or something happened? Could it be that all of a sudden the leaf represents you at a young age of maybe 12 years old? I don't know, maybe. And what happened? There's another leaf eaten there as well. And actually, as you look at the leaves, most of them are really healthy. So they could be friends, they could be extensions of your personality, they could be your emotions, and so on. But let's go to the very top of the leaf. I chose this colour, and when you look at this leaf, it's this flower, it's actually very, very healthy. It's very healthy. Look at the colour. The colour in right inside, that's the heart of who you are, is extremely powerful. You can see the yellow, which is the strength of a lion. You can see the very beautiful and vibrant colour of the purple inside. And then it becomes kind of lilac at the out. But the purple is a great indication that your spiritual journey is absolutely where you are right now. The petals, if you feel them, they're very delicate. That's kind of like me. I'm very delicate. I'm very, very soft inside. So we have to be careful how we treat ourselves. But actually, we're drinking well, we're eating well, we're looking after our body. Everything here suggests that I'm becoming stronger, more powerful, more healthier. And actually, yes, I may be sensitive, I may be delicate, but look how strong I look how beautiful I shine. Now, that is just a few moments of how I see flowers and how I interpret them. It goes a lot more deeper than that. I go into great depth and detail into flower reading. After this 2 hour of flower reading, you might find yourself feeling like you just want to run out of that door and choose a flower, or choose one or get a friend to choose one. That's it, really. I just wanted to share that with you. I'm very excited. People are already booking on the course, which is great. Workshop, I should call it. And yeah, it's just brilliant. I hope you really love it. It's just something else to add to your spiritual path and journey, and I think it's going to be really quite popular. I really think it is. So I'll link it below, and I really hope you enjoy it. I hope you get so much out of it. Have a great day, guys. Yeah, the flower reading workshop. I just feel great about it. What else can you say, Mark, apart from I just feel so excited and grateful for doing it. And thank you, Shirley, for teaching me. And thank you, Mark, for extending on that and growing and reading for hundreds and hundreds of people worldwide. I hope you enjoy it. It should add to your psychic strengthening abilities, and it's something else that you can use along your journey. Keep flower reading alive. Have a great time there. See you soon.